Hello everyone, welcome to my video. And today I will review about high-grade Aile Strike Gundam. Let's go jump to first description about this Gundam Strike.
The Gundam Strike, officially known as the GradeAILE 105 Strike Gundam, is a fictional mobile suit featured in the anime series Mobile Suit Gundam Seed. Created by the Earth Alliance, the Strike Gundam serves as a pivotal and versatile mobile suit in the early stages of the series. It's known for its adaptability, modular design, and its ability to utilize different packs and weapons, making it a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. The Strike Gundam is piloted by the series protagonist, Kira Yamado. It plays a central role in the conflict between the Earth Alliance and the ZAFT forces, showcasing its prowess in various battles and scenarios.
Okay, we back to review again. So here is a box art for this kit. The art box is cool. They show the iconic pose of Strike Gundam from the series. This what we got from the kit. 1 unit of Strike Gundam, with a pair of holding hand, and 2 knife armor Schneider, 1 beam rifle and anti-beam shield. This kit also include a backpack, which you can also call the Aile Striker, and this backpack have some articulation like this. Here is the articulation. The head can rotate to right and left, can move to forward and backward. On the shoulder can be rotated as much as 360 degrees because it has a ball joint, and also have butterfly joint from the body. The arm can also move like this. And the elbows can be moved this far. The main body can be moved to the right and left like this, and also can be moved forward and backward so far. The arms can also be rotated 360 degrees too. The front skirt can be moved like this. The side skirt can move like this. The groin can be moved as far, maybe further. Back skirt can't be moved. The thighs can be moved forward and backward like this. And knees can be bent like this. The ankle can be moved like this. And finally, the waist can be rotated 360 degrees because there is have a ball joint. So, after some explanation about the articulation earlier, then we can be in a pose like this. This, and this. Now I want to compare the size of this kit with other kits. This is the high-grade Strike Gundam. And this is high-grade Arc 78 Revive. This is high-grade Grimger. And this is entry-grade New Gundam. And finally, we have arrived at the end of the video. From the explanation of the video earlier, we can find out how appropriate this kit is to have. For everyone who has watched this video, I thank you for you all. And don't forget to click subscribe and like the video. Hopefully, those who have watched are always given health to all of you, and thank you, Aile. See you.